Hello kids, today we will learn colors name and alphabet. Brown color, lemon green, sky blue, green, red, pink, violet, black, orange, yellow, blue, write with me. Yellow color, A, say with me, A, blue, B, say with me, B, green, C, say with me, C, orange, D, say with me, D, violet, E, say with me, E, pink, F, say with me, F, lemon green, G, say with me, G, red, H, say with me, H, brown, I, say with me, I, sky blue, J, say with me, J, yellow, K, say with me, K, violet, blue, L, say with me, L, green, M, say with me, M, orange, N, say with me, N, lemon green, O, say with me, O, red, V, say with me, V, brown, Q, say with me, Q, sky blue, R, say with me, R, yellow, S, say with me, S, blue, T, say with me, T, pink, U, say with me, U, sky blue, V, say with me, V, orange, W, say with me, W, lemon green, X, say with me, X, red, Y, say with me, Y, yellow, Z, say with me, G, again say with me, A, B, C, D, E, F, G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Subscribe for more video.